This is a beautiful all stainless steel conveyor made by GARVEY. There's no tag on it, but we do know because we've seen so many GARVEYs. They're made here right in New Jersey. It's a 7.5-inch wide tabletop chain by 8 foot long. 2 legs, as you can see, pedestal type. If you care to use it, we've left this on. Small 2 electrical outlets you can feed your 120 volt single phase into. Conveyor is chain driven by about a 1/2 horsepower Leason drive and an Ohio gear reducer. We've added a Tico controller by Westinghouse. This is a VFD, variable frequency drive, and we're running about half speed right now, and it's set up to run with the push buttons as opposed to the pot. The potentiometer, you can change that as you like. And of course you can see you just change the speed all the way up to 60 hertz, and that'll bring you up to full capacity. It's running on 120 volts single phase. It's a pair of adjustable rails. We've put some used chain on it, which is in good condition. If you like, we'll replace that with new, and can make any modifications or changes if you need them.